Thermal energy. See, it is the energy which arises due to the motion or movement of the molecular species. So it is the energy which is always associated with the molecular species, and it's mainly because of the motion or the movement which they show. So more is the motion, more is the kinetic energy. So that's why we say it's the average kinetic energy. Now, it plays a very important role in deciding or in assigning the state of a substance. Let us first see the intermolecular forces versus thermal energy. See, we know stronger are these forces of attraction between molecular species, more close they will be having, less of the motion they will be having, so lesser will be their thermal energy. Whereas the weaker are these forces, more separately they are, the distance, the greater the distance they are having, more the motion they will be having, more will be their average kinetic energy, so greater the thermal energy they will be having. That is what is the most important thing we need to know. So that is why what we find is, this is how the states also gets changed from solid to liquid to gas. See, we can decrease this thermal energy, and that is how we can even change the state also. We can decrease the energy by decreasing the temperature, and that is how what happens is the state changes from gaseous to liquid to solid, and by giving the heat, by increasing the thermal energy, we can change the state from solid to liquid to even gas.